incompetent government. We are all victims. And don't let anybody deceive you. Those of you who are in business, your business will have been better today if we have a competent and effective and performing government. It will happen. As I said, giving excuse, we met many challenges. Now, if there are no challenges, then you wouldn't need to come. Huh? If there are no challenges, you don't need to come. And you come in because you know that there are challenges. And then giving us excuse that you have many challenges, that's why you haven't achieved result. And then you still want to go. First lesson I learned in my military training is never reinforce failure. What we have now is failure. Never you reinforce. Never you reinforce failure. Let failure be failure and gone. And if you do not see what you should see, you will then be a victim of what you don't like. Because it's only when you see what you should see and you do what you should do that you put away what you do not like. If you don't see what you should see and you don't do what you should do, you will be a victim of what you don't like.
Okay, brothers and sisters, this is Mega Comrade. This is a correctional officer turned anti-corruption activist. It's not really easy right now. I want to thank every brothers and sisters across the globe who are here tonight or this evening, depends on wherever you are. This is a Mega Comrade, Officer Clement Iranomigo Edegbe, the President of the Poor Citizen Worldwide, Commander-in-Chief of the Defenseless and the Voiceless. However, the reason why I am out this evening is not to come online, to come online because of Nigeria or because of individual person. I am here today because of what is happening in the globe right now. As you can see, as everyone understands, I am an American and I'm proud to be an American. And I will never shy away to defend and protect the United States of America. Number one. I am out because I am seeing a lot of news, all the mainstream media, and some other European countries, all they want to do is to continue to bash on President Donald J. Trump. I want everyone to understand one thing. Without America, there's no world. The whole world will collapse into pieces. And that is the fact. Without the United States being a part of the global country, or without America, there will be no safe zone in the whole world. It don't matter whatever you're going to say, it don't matter how you're going to think it. America is the almighty country in this world. I have traveled almost 50 countries in the world. Almost 50 countries. I do not go to all these countries because I am going for vacation. I went to all these countries because of the circumstances that the Nigerian African corrupt political cabals, corrupt political leaders, and corrupt political terrorists have placed our country into. That notwithstanding, I still thank God Almighty today. I thank God for my life, for the life of my loved ones. You know, that is the fact. You know what I'm saying? I don't enjoy doing this. I do this because I am passionate. I know where I come from. I grew up out of the concrete. If you are from Nigeria or you are from Benin City, you will understand what Benin call Agualogo. That is what I go to farm every day to do with my mom. With my mom. Please, if you are on YouTube, I am really sorry. The network is really bad. You might want to go on Facebook. If you are on YouTube right now, you might want to go on Facebook. I see a lot of people on YouTube. It's showing right now very bad connection. There's nothing else I can do about it. I'm really sorry and I apologize about it. As we understand, People's Freedom Movement is no violent movement. We have never, since the creation of PFN, we have never created any problem for any political or any country. Daliti, God bless you. We have never created any problem for individual, except those who has what I call longer throat for fame, longer throat for money, greed. When they are greed, let them to make a rational judgment, continue to attack those that are fighting and defending, at the same time protecting their individual right. That is the tiger and the lion combined. A law enforcement officer turned a political anti-corruption activist, mega anti-corruption activist. It is not easy. You know what I'm saying? I know what I go through every day. I know what I go through. Comrade concern. I will never compromise my value. The value I have against corruption. Corruption destroy my life. Corruption damage, destroy and draw my destiny behind. If not corruption, I will be a brigadier general or a colonel in Nigeria Armed Forces today. I repeat, if not corruption, I will be a brigadier general or a colonel. All my squad mates, they are all colonel, brigadier general today in Nigeria Armed Forces. It is because of corruption, because I came from a family who cannot produce a student to Nigeria Defense Academy. So therefore, I was going nowhere. All they could do is to dump me or try to force me to become Nigeria National Guard back in years, which I refused to become a second-class Nigeria Armed Forces. That led me to get out of Nigeria. So, if I was in Nigeria Defense National Guard, little later, Babangida made them back to military. All my mates are brigadier general and colonel in the army today. Some that know how to find their way into are major general. So I am not that dumb. Either I will be a colonel if I'm dumb, or if I'm average, I will be a brigadier general. I want to ask everyone a question. Who is that person on social media who will dare challenge a brigadier general or a colonel in the Nigerian Armed Forces? Zero. Because now what corruption have drawn me into? If not corruption that destroy and delay and draw my destiny behind, who the hell are all these people? That is now, I mean, who? You know what I'm saying? Thank you. God bless you. My family are doing great. We are trying to make it. Thank you for asking. You know, my family, we are all doing great. I am trying to share over here. But however, if I cannot share right now, I'll probably share later. I want people to understand one thing. That life is not what we think it is. Life is not what we think it is. Let me go straight to the point. Oh, Jesus. Lord. You can see when September 9/11 happened, September 11, 2001, when it happened, President Bush came out. He made one famous speech. He said, either you are with America or you are against America. Ever since the whole world have changed. Due to corruption that led innocent and vulnerable children to become or to lude into terrorism. These are vulnerable children. They have no job. They have nobody to look up to. They have no power. They always oppress them. Their back have been pushed against the wall, just like Muhammad Buhari is doing in Nigeria right now. Since I was born, they have never been terrorists in Edo State all my life. But today, bomb is exploding in Okpila. Bomb is exploding in Ekewa. Bomb is exploding in everywhere. Who caused it? President Muhammadu Fulani Buhari. President Fulani president. He is the cause. How long, Tinubu, how long are they going to continue to blame President Goodluck Jonathan? Just like what some Americans are doing right now in mainstream media. Let me quickly go straight to I'm telling you, please, YouTube, this is really bad on YouTube. Please, I'm going to go ahead and shut down the YouTube. It's not good. The network is very bad. So, well, corruption is #1 weapon of mass destruction. Corruption is #1 weapon of mass destruction. I am begging every brother and sister, wherever you are, I am asking you to join a peaceful movement. Join People Freedom Movement. Together, we will create what I call social media awareness. That is what I call awareness, impact. Physical impact is what PFA did in Italian parliament last year. Physical impact is to torpedo a bill that is being rushed through the throat or the journey through our throat. A bill, Kaba bill. I call it Kaba bill. Bill of illegal deportation of vulnerable immigrants. Illegal deportation of vulnerable illegal immigrants. They call them illegal immigrants. Ain't no illegal immigrant in Europe. Europeans came to Africa. They came with no visas. They invaded Africa. They collected every mineral resources God have used to have given Africa. He know that Africa, we're gonna move 2 legs when others move 1 leg before we succeed. But the so-called the British people, they came into Africa and the Portuguese. The British were rushed to, they stole everything we have in Africa and enriched an island who God have caused. God placed them in one island on top of water. They have nothing. How come now they have gold, diamond? When you go to the Queen's Palace, everywhere is all marble. How come now Britain become a second superpower? The only country I recognize that who suffer for what they have, who suffer, who did not steal 1 penny from Africa is called USA, United States of America. When you work hard, you get what you work for. Ain't no shortcut in America. You gotta follow it legally. When you follow American system legally, you become the most powerful man in the world. Just like the tiger and the lion combined. But when you rush, you want to achieve your wet illegally in corny way. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna shoot your goddamn foot. You're gonna shoot your damn foot. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, you can see why I came out today. A detention and correctional officer in United States turned anti-corruption mega comrade activist, president of the Innocent Poor Citizen Worldwide, and the open leader of People Freedom Movement, commander-in-chief of the defenseless and the voiceless, the tiger and the lion combined. If I can give up everything I have to fight the fight that is creating awareness, now a lot of people, we have made an impact. Anyone that doubts the impact we have made, ask your mama some question. Not even your daddy. Go back and ask your mama some question. You know what I'm saying? Destiny, God bless you. I see you. You know what I'm saying? If I am the type who care about who is looking at me, no. I will be doing sharing now. It gets to a point, I'm tired of it. I am tired of it. One thing we understand, let me tell you, I want to quickly say this. I want everybody, I have a direct message to all African leaders. All African leaders. You can see every African leader we, the People Freedom Movement, have spoken of are in trouble. Calamity upon calamity continue to reign in their life. Calamity continue to follow them. Even some are falling from their vehicle. President Jacob Zuma of South Africa created People Freedom Movement. President Jacob Zuma, when he sent his talk, his South African talk, they called xenophobia in South Africa. They were massacring African people, killing innocent African children. That is how Mega Comrade was born into anti-corruption activist. Nobody could speak. Everyone were scared to death. So, like as I was saying, Jacob Zuma, when nobody could speak, I called on Abuja. Xenophobia in 2016 in South Africa, 2017. I came out. I defended the defenseless. I did it alone. When people saw what I was doing, some of them liked it. Some thought, this is another way to make money. Little that they know that I am an impeccable leader, an impeccable mega comrade, a man with a track record, with dignity and integrity. Above all, who value what I know God is going to give me than what humans are going to give. Because human, when they give with right hand, they will use left hand and collect it back from you. Nobody do something without getting something in return in this generation. You know what I'm saying? Nigerian government were busy protecting South African businesses. So-called corrupt Inspector General of Police, Ibrahim Idris. We are there protecting MTN instead of protecting life. He took an oath to protect life and property. But instead of protecting life and property, he was busy protecting MTN. MTN Ene. South African cabal. Who brought MTN? Useless coward. Useless coward. Ex-President Olusegun Obasanjo. Obasanjo is an opportunist, a coward, idiot, Ewu Usumeride, old man that refused to die. Obasanjo is #1, the cabal of Nigeria. Babangida is even more better than Obasanjo. Obasanjo built zero in Nigeria. Who is Obasanjo to tell anyone? Who is Obasanjo to lecture anyone how to run government? Did Obasanjo know how to run his own farm that is created in Ogun State in 1970s when he stole almost billions upon billions of naira? Obasanjo invested those money in farm in Ogun State. That farm was completely decimated. He could not manage it. Obasanjo cannot manage his own farm. If not, blessed memory, rest in peace, rest in peace, MKO Abiola, that brought Obasanjo. They used Obasanjo to replace MKO Abiola. That is to tell you how Yoruba people are betrayers. They betray themselves. Almost all of them. can you betray your own brother, MKO Abiola, one of the best Nigerian Yoruba citizens in the whole world, MKO Abiola. May he so rest in perfect peace. The death of Abiola brought Obasanjo. No go anagbo Obasanjo. Iwabo ohin afiere yowa. Okay, now when I came out January 10th to declare hashtag Buhari must go, nobody were cursing Buhari. People were afraid of Buhari. No one can speak anything about Buhari. They were scared to death like a damn goddamn motherfucking chicken. They were scared to even pronounce Buhari in their mouth. Even so-called youth, they know Buhari is a mediocre president. Mediocre president. Buhari phobia is everywhere in Nigeria. No one could speak. But when the tiger and the lion came out, the president of the poor citizen, a man that who is not afraid of death, I am not afraid of it. If you haven't heard it now. You know? So, brothers and sisters, I'm going to try and do this and share this video right quick. If it's going to allow me to share. I'm just begging everyone, just bear with me. So, oh God, Nigeria. I pray to Nigeria, my country. A goddamn country. Backward country. Nigeria can never grow until they kill all the old bad corrupt leaders. They kill them, put them in fiery squad like they kill Nomanyakon, Anini, Ofege. As they kill Ize Yamu, what they call it, Yamu. As they kill Yamu, DSP, Yamu they call him, I don't know. That is how they should kill all the bad leaders in Nigeria. They should tie them behind the wood and kill all of them all. That is the fact. You know what I'm saying? That is the fact. So, then, you see, people started coming out. I was calling. People come out. Come out. Social media is the most... People were ratting, say, what are you doing in social media, Mega? What are you doing? You are hiding behind your curtain. No, I wasn't hiding behind my curtain. I was hiding behind of this. United States of America. This is what I have behind. Anyone that hide behind the United States of America is guaranteed. Guaranteed. Nobody dare try the Almighty. You do not want the best military in the world to roll all over your street. There will be no place to describe as your street will look like. If you doubt the power of America, go to Iraq today and see how it is. Go to Afghanistan and see how it is. Don't dare try the power of United States of America. USA, that is the fact. Because the tiger and the lion say so. As a military family, a law enforcement family, a man who has gave up what God has given me for America to fight and defend the United States of America, I will never, you can hate, you that is giving red hair. Red hair will kill your papa and your mama in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. If you have no father, anytime you bring out red hair for America, red hair will kill your children. In Jesus' mighty name. Anyone that bring red hair, when I call America or call anybody, instead of you to be bringing red hair here, go and register and vote. Mumu akpa away. Go and register and vote. Stop being a hater. A hater, when you continue to look at others, you will not even have eye to follow the right road for your success. When you continue to pray for others downfall, pray for others, try to make others look bad, you will not have the ability or the knowledge or the wisdom or wisdom of evil, wisdom of a seed will never come close to you, because all you dwell on is to continue to go from one platform to another and continue to find a way to be hitting red hair. Red hair will be your portion in Jesus' mighty name. In the name of Allah, red hair will be your portion in Jesus' mighty name. How dare you? Have you been to America? If you are in America, you are not successful. You are a lazy man. There is no food for a lazy man in America. What have Americans done to you? Zero. America did not come to Benin and steal our property. They do not go to Ghana. and still all you go do. Who go to Ghana? Now useless London. Useless British government. Let me go to Muhammad Buhari. Oh God, Akataka. These people. It's not easy. So, let me send a direct message first. Jacob Zuma of South Africa, when I continue to lay curse on Jacob Zuma, I told Jacob Zuma that calamity will be his name. It's not even up to 1 year. Maybe 1 year. It's not up to 1 year. Do you see the life of Jacob Zuma today? Who could have thought that Jacob Zuma will be going court for corruption? Those that think Iranomigo is wasting time fighting corruption. Who is Iranomigo to be fighting corruption when others are fight and they run? Who is Iranomigo? Let me tell you, at the end of the day, you people, I know you people are going to push me behind. You people will rush and be taking the glory. You all this fucking, don't let me lay curse on all this youth that refuse to come out. They will be coming out with their father name. I am the one fighting corruption now. Now, CNN, BBC, I am the one fighting corruption now. I am the one fighting corruption now. That is all what they're going to be doing. You know what I'm saying? Corruption. Corruption is not only an epidemic. It's not only a virus. It's not only a weapon of mass destruction. Corruption is worse than Ebola virus. Now, Mauwe, where you are in Dubai here? Come and see Dubai and see how it is. Where you are in Qatar? Now, Mauwe, go and see a city who use their oil money to develop their own country. If you think what Mega Comrade is saying is irrelevant to you, you fly to Qatar or Dubai and see what oil money have done for development. Go there, go and even so-called Russia. But yet, in Nigeria, he's behind, 20 years behind. Calamity upon calamity. Continue to follow every youth. Why do you allow all these old cargos? I call them old cargos. Muhammad Buhari, Obasanjo, Goodluck Jonathan was a little bit okay. You know what I'm saying? If Jonathan was still the president now, even Jonathan used billions to sleep with women. Jonathan used billions upon billions, oil money. Jonathan were using it to have affair. So, Goodluck Jonathan would have been one of the best presidents if Goodluck Jonathan did not allow what is in between his leg take total control of Nigeria government. Goodluck were jumping from one small girl to another. Her sister were busy looting our money. Is it Danjere, whatever they call her? Looting our money. Jonathan were busy in between a woman leg. How he lost limit on anybody. When I met Jonathan, when I met him, I was happy. I thought this is a young man. He just become no, he was about to be sworn in when I met him as the president. When he spoke with me, I thought everything was good. We seized governance. All the Niger Delta government. You know? So everything was good. So Jonathan is, if you have met Jonathan on singlet, you will know Jonathan is a coward. He's a scary man. Very scared. Jonathan, you have to be tough to rule Nigeria. If you are not tough, like what they call him, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, if anybody made mistake and gave Professor Yemi Osinbajo any post in Nigeria, forget about it. Goodluck Jonathan is even stronger than Osinbajo, professor. What does professor know? If professor know anything in Nigeria, where are the professor? Professor Wolosheika, what did he give us? Is it not courtesy he gave us? Professor in Nigeria have failed. They have failed. No professor should rule that country. They are completely pamphlet professor. Wolosheika or Wolosheika should bring is courtesy. Nothing. Wolosheika completely decimated any professor that come out for president of Nigeria. Forget about it. We even tried the Goodluck, who is not even Wolosheika friend. He failed. Forget about it. We are looking for middle class. The poor citizen. The poor innocent citizen who have been oppressed for so many years. That is who will become president. Forget all this old cargo, thief, Damboroba Shege, Oyi, Ojoba Yewu. Forget about these people. All this one Wawakobolena, Oborwakbeni, Igeleni, Agaga Yuabo. Ejibode was on one wire. Why are you whether you hear Bini, you know you. Juju, you don't know Bini, you don't know Amsa, you don't know Yoruba. Juju na Juju, Ogun na Ogun, accident na accident. Accident have no language. Iron no get language. Once they hit each other, now fire goes back. They say make it bonoru. Okay. Now say make it bonoru. Una the rule. You people have been ruling for so many years now. No progress. No front. No back. We are not moving forward. We are not moving backward. All what we are doing, we are digging hole. We are inside hole. Everybody. Me, I'm not. Let me tell you, I am proud to be an American. I will die for this flag right here. Anywhere I go, egwe akpa otokemu. Egwe akpa otokemu. Ohime. Ya akpa itemu imunyaza abo imunyahu. That is the truth. Then, oh God, let me quickly say this. I am proud of President Trump, the President of the United States of America, President Donald J. Trump. I am in support of what you are doing with China. China have continued to reap the fruit of American labor. That is the truth. Me, I am not going to China. Me, I will not go to China. I will not seek for their visa. I will not enter China. Nothing good come out of China. I am proud of President Donald J. Trump. When he can stand up against all these users, they are users, they use America. Let me quickly finish America. They use America. America who is United Nations? America contributes more than 70% of United Nations money. The money they are using in Italy, they are using in Belgium, they are using in Germany, they are using in so-called London. Is contributed by America. Me, I'm one of the contributors. $1,200 tax that they collect and with small money what they make. Every month that they take $1,200. Even I bet you Benin cannot work that in a month. That is my tax. $1,200. There is SS job in America. Except to borrow a boy. Except you are a lazy man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Here you have Moki the work about the job. America is doing the whole job for the whole world. The European Union, they don't want to pay their fair share. Now finally, a president has come. President Trump can pay on all this. He did not just, I don't know why Republican, look at, Democrat, look at them on CNN. They are here running their mouth. Van Jones, Adasi Cooper, all these haters. They are here running their mouth. I am a Democrat independent. I voted for Hillary Clinton because of Barack Obama. And I regret that voting tomorrow. Why are they hating on America? That is the question. If you care, they should pay. Let me tell you. You can see a trailer load is coming from South America. Tomorrow now you see them protesting. Allow them. Senator Chuma will be crying like a crocodile. When I went to Senator Chuma's office, he cried like a crocodile here. Why Nigerians were being sold, Senegalese were being sold, Gambia were being sold, Burkina Faso were being sold, Ghanaians were being sold in Libya. Senator Chuma of New York, he did not cry, no one tears. When Africans were enslaved in Libya, you didn't see no US senator were crying, no one. But when they are coming on air, they refuse their entry. Senator Chuck Schumer will be crying, like he will be sharing his wild crocodile tears. Now they are loading themselves from South America. They want to come to America and be taking my food stamp and be taking free medical, be taking everything. Flavor Lamba now will come and born and use my taxpayer money to deliver his baby and get American passport. Then Timaya will come. I have another one. These so-called naughty wood, Hollywood, what they call them, non-attity wood, they will come and be giving birth to America. Enough of all those rubbish. Me, I pay my due. I pay my due in Dakar and Quebec. I pay my due. I did not follow the easy way to America. I follow the legal way. I follow a leader. President Trump can match anything. I don't care. I will support it. Follow the legal way and come to America. Is it not the South Africans that we help during the apartheid? Are the same South Africans that were killing Nigerians? Why no one was saying yes, you know? Can you imagine that? Today, the European Union will not allow Nigerians to have peace. Anywhere you bring Nigerian passport, now problem. Anywhere you carry Nigerian passport out, me, I don't get Nigerian passport. I know they carry, but I have friends that are going with me. That Nigerian passport become a demon passport, Satan passport. Satan, even common Schengen visa that children are getting in Nigeria. They will be struggling. The same Schengen state, they will be issuing visa to all these political corrupt leaders because bribery and corruption. They will go there, they pay millions into their account. Where are the poor citizens? How are they going to get their visa? They have no money. They barely eat in a day. They barely eat in a day. How long are you going to allow all this political cabal to destroy and damage your destiny? And there you are waiting for Mega Comrade, Iranomigo, to do it all alone. Even come on to help me buy water, you cannot buy. If I was a pastor and I prophesied that the consumer power will be taken away. By now, your church, but is it not a pastor that is using women sucking breast for prayer? Have you not heard it? Very soon. Now what they are doing in Edo State, if you have a praying woman, if you people have not heard it now, breaking news. If you have a pretty good looking woman, what they will do, they will put problem on the husband's head. They will use DSS to harass you. DSS will, you know what, let me just turn on this YouTube. So go to Facebook, please. YouTube, go to Facebook. Hold on. YouTube, go to Facebook, please. I'm begging. Just go to Facebook, or I'm going to upload it later. Let me turn that one off. Good. That one is out. So, I will break the news for them to know what is happening. Come on now. Stay right there. What is happening in Edo State right now, in Nigeria? What they are doing, when you have a pretty good-looking woman, oh, no, I'm winning. This one when they put ready for everything. Let me tell you, bad luck, they follow you. They follow all your life. If you watch your life not good. If you watch your life, problem don't take control of your life. Every word we are saying, that's also ready in the prayer. That is how your life is. Your life don't destroy. You don't jabrata. Bad belly don't destroy your life. And your children are a problem. Anyone you born go die. He go die. He must die. Because if you're all strong, your children are not strong. See, that is how your life is. Your life calamity. There is no peace in your life. I first tell you when you were giving red to American flag, your life will be completely destroyed. You go back and check your life. See, if where God asks you to be is where you are today. No, you are behind all your friends. Check your life. Take a mirror. Look at yourself. I am just prophesying for you now because I am a prophet. Check your life. Ask yourself, is this how God wanted me to be? Is it what Mega Comrade is saying today is actually true? Check your life. Your life is not good. Because the demon in you, nobody can kill it. Even Babalawo cannot kill it. If they carry you go river, you not fit cure them. All you do is, this is negativity upon negativity. Even when we are saying the word that will move everybody forward, who are you for? Felugaga o mafe, genofo mafe, dagmon we ye won. Dagmon who ye won if I bona fe kulelu. Dagmon ma be we ni. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are there with fake account. You come here, you are pressing your life. Go back and back. Even deodorant, you know they use. They smell like any other thing. Put your hands in your armpit now and smell if you are not smelling. Useless person. Idiot. Waberawi you are. So, like as I'm saying, brothers and sisters, what is happening in Benin today? When you have a pretty good-looking woman, shape, figure 8, politician, they will just send DSS to your house. But they will file one allegation. They will put it on your head. Before you know it, police, DSS, they don't come there. They will come over and even AM in the morning. The time when your wife will not even put on bra. You see how she balance. That time she not put on, she will be begging. She will be begging, please, my husband. They are just watching to go report to Oga. The woman fine well. Before you know it, they don't put your head to Kri or Oko. Once you are in Oko, you go to say, they just say, don't you have somebody that will beg all these leaders? You say, what leader? They will say, tell his wife to go and beg Senator so and so, or go and beg Governor Obaseki. Governor Obaseki not to sleep with woman. So they will send your wife. Your wife will go there. Please, sir, my husband is being arrested. What did your husband do? I don't know, sir. I don't know. As Obaseki not to sleep with a woman, he go hand over that to SSG. SSG go say, go meet so and so person. The next thing they will do, they will go and prepare a room in the hotel. Say that person is in the hotel right now. You can go there and meet him now before. You beg him before because he's leaving for Abuja in the next tomorrow morning. Or tomorrow early morning. Before you reach there, go beg. They tell you if you want your husband to be out. Now back for bed. They go sandpaper the woman. They go sandpaper her. At the end of the day, the man, they not go release him. You know women now, once women don't open their leg, it don't sweet them. Hey, you know, waiting you don't get, you don't say nah, how they do one. Waiting be your own, you just the prepare. But your wife will be thinking, my husband not sabi. No, know that his own husband no one spoiler. But who no get her go come, he go enter like horse. He buy. Before you know the woman, he go begin to pee for everywhere. You say, my husband never do this to me. I better make it just die for jail. Make it just die for jail. He just draw my enjoyment behind. Forgetting that woman, that is the beginning of calamity. Before you know it, they will send secret police, strapped in. They will go there and kill that man in jail. They will kill him. They will say they transfer him to Abuja. The woman will tell the family, more than Lisio. The woman will tell the family, say, Daddy, we don't try. Money don't finish, money don't take it. The woman don't they get account. They put money for your account, million upon million. They go give her Toyota Versa, what do they call her? They will just go give her one Toyota. They will begin hammering woman when they don't marry. Politician. Obaseki boys. That is their new sister. They will hammer it. If their sister, they see any of their sister, they will say, that will be that. You say now sister, go say, carry and come out, that one carry on. He don't finish. That is their new sister. In Nigerian politics, corruption have went to marriage home. They are now breaking home. God bless you, my brother. I see you. Where you call day? Alabo. Oh, well, Alabo. Koyo. I love you so much. So, that is my immediate junior brother. God bless you. I love you. So, brothers and sisters, let me tell you, the only way through for you to survive, even you are not doing yahoo, these people, they don't see you. They control one fine girl. Before you know it, they don't send all these police when they wear shirt. Now black and black that they will wear. Even they put a courtesy sign for their shirt now. They will call them AIG Stratton, AIG Investigator. Even the commissioner of police have his own boys. Before you know it, they don't track your camera down. Bam. Go, when they will draw AK-47, you will fear your life. Money when you get, they will collect them. Armed robber in uniform. Ogun or what billion papa. All these fake police, now Ogun go kill them. Ogun Dangote. Now Dangote trailer, and I go kill all of them one by one. Dangote trailer. The only thing I like about Dangote, in trailer we go take the massacre now one by one. They will make sure that They will even ask you how many family you get for abroad. So let me tell you, if you think this corruption is going, it's not going anywhere. But that is why People Freedom Movement have chosen to chase corruption out of the whole Africa, especially in Nigeria. Let me tell you, a message to Muhammadu Buhari. Let me tell you, Muhammadu Buhari, I have done what you have never done in your life. I have suffered the suffering you have never suffered in your life. I have seen what you have never seen in your life, Muhammadu Buhari. And what you have done that I have not done, I will do it better than you. Let me tell you, Muhammadu Buhari, you will go to jail. Jail is very close to you. Buhari, I swear to God Almighty, one day, Buhari, you go jail. If you survive him. Now jail you go end up. Don't think Nigeria is for you alone. You go jail, Buhari go jail, Tinubu go jail, Erofai go jail. When did they call him? That yeah man. For all of them go jail. Obaseki, now jail go sleep with that. Oshomule. Unubatiwe. Where Oshomule, this suffer, Oshomule children go suffer. I don't, if Oshomule children have passport in America, I go kill that passport too. Mo baby. I go destroy that passport. You want back. I will kill it. It will be a big problem. Before you become a US citizen, there's a place you sign, which I'm not going to reveal. You sign it. If you are caught in so and so things, your citizenship will be revoked. It's everywhere in the whole world. 18 years I want with you. If you have all these politicians, what we the children, the poor citizens should be doing is for us to work with European and good country, Western World Law Enforcement Agency. Let us be an informant to the. Me, I'm number one informant. Me, I know they hide them. I go report. I be whistleblower. I they talk. If I catch you with corruption, your own document, I will report you to the FBI. Me, I don't care. I will report you to the adequate law enforcement agency. I will draw the attention of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the almighty America. I will draw the attention to your house, and gradually they will destroy and torpedo you like a garden sack of potato. You know what I'm saying? Instead of us to work together, these politicians, political leaders, their children, they are holding iPad in their hostel room. That's what they hold iPad. They will hold iPad, they show my picture with our money. Mercy, oh, Jemo, you are so really. Can you imagine why me are they from the world? Can you imagine? They go all iPad, I said they bond them with our money. And here you are busy fighting the enemy. What sense does that make? Tell me what, maybe even what are you going to get fighting me? Zero. Nada. Instead of you to say, how can we work with this man? How can we? I am not telling you to give me money. Because he said, no, people are crying in Germany now. Hey, Pablo sent my ID. Now today you know say ID card. Now when they go, I never send you photocopy. How can you send me an address? You send me an address without a country, without a city. The day I am leaving America, that is the day you now send a country. So I should leave my plane and go to airport and post your ID. Now I beg, you know who I'm talking to. You are there say, how much for express? Now 20 euro be express. DHL when you go on 100 euro plus. Now I stop. You know what I'm saying? Who is it? So, brothers and sisters, I am going to tell you, I want you to get up, go and register. If you have family in Africa, most especially in Nigeria, tell them to go and register to vote. Tell them to have their voters card. The only way we can roll all these elephants, these big elephants that you can, the only way to roll them is PVC. Vote. Who is it? No, après, later. Huh? What? Hold on, brothers and sisters. Let me quickly go and send this. I'm doing video. Hold on. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on. Brothers and sisters, please bear with me. I am coming. Oh, thank you, brothers and sisters. So, you know, these people, they always want to. So, like as I'm saying, well, let me example. This is Nigerian flag. When I left here, I put it right here. You can see, they were not over there. I think I was that one. My baby, I think he did. When to Tanya, if I boy like I'm a politician. When to Tanya, Wabia, idiot people. So they just called me to give me a towel. You know, I requested for a towel since. So that is what the recession they just brought for me. Bear with me, please, brothers and sisters. That is the life affair. When you are not home, let me quickly drop this. So, like as I was saying, it is time for us to get up, go and get your voter's card. Get your voter's card. Then, Buhari will not have much to talk. No amount of money Buhari is going to share. No amount of money Tinubu is going to share. No amount of money that they're going to share. They will never succeed. They will never succeed. But when you don't register, every time you go to church, what they are saying now, even my friend was telling me, before 30 years, they will not even know it. In Nigeria, why is it that it's miracle? You all are always looking for. There is no easy way. Like what they said, Bigate did not go to church one day and say, hey, now we sort now, we make it or where you go, or why you know why you are with bay, or why you are with ye, Kobokori, or I can okay, the Ume Pudi Awa, Ume, we know, where no matter, Umume, Ume, I mean, Abume, what ye? Hey, I want to do. Hey, I don't know. Can you imagine? Nigerians, millions of Nigerian girls, they will go to church. Pastor will dividing all of them. Yet, they will still be saying, in the name of Jesus. They will, all night, every day in Nigeria, all night. Nigeria have the highest church in everywhere in the whole world. Every house is church, yet in the same Nigeria are going back. Nigeria buy you not only Nigeria they use salt, they bath. Not only Nigeria they drink lake water. Any water when you give them, they go drink. Because Nigerians are looking for miracle. How can you be looking for miracle when you are lazy? Politicians are telling you that the youth cannot lead. Shame on you. The youth cannot lead. Who is Tinubu to tell you that you cannot lead? Is Tinubu more smarter than you? Buhari? Is Buhari more educated than you? Who is Buhari? Or is it Obaseki that have F9 in economy? F9. Can you imagine? You are there. You are saying my leader. Is it forbidden if someone call you my leader? Is it forbidden? Instead of you to come out and praise PFN for what we have done, even the only awareness. Now people can come. Now Fulanis are even coming out against Buhari. Hausas are coming out against Buhari. Everybody is calling Buhari thief. Who started it? The mega comrade, People Freedom Movement. Those that were afraid, I was calling everybody, come online, creating awareness. I never know that they will come online and be constituting nuisance. Nuisance. I heard the other day that one is trying saying, Naoba, I got met here. I never bought fear. Oba, I got met here. Why get problem? Why you not can't go? Why stay away from the palace? Oba really have done more than what Buhari. Ogun Ogbe Buhari. Ogun, one you. Now Ogun go keep Buhari. More na go tell him. Now make a conversation. Ogun na go kill him. Buhari that vote against the peace of Israel and Palestine. If we voted against America, why can't Buhari go to America now? Let him go to White House. If I boy fe cool le. O mu men yan wona sha me le. Amena gbegbu me. We na met kwa. Ere la fe progress I have met with that money. You know what I'm saying? Some Nigerians, their life is already damaged. Like this one that is coming here and I want to come here and try to say, I know how he came. I just added him. It's not even up to 2 months that I added him. I mistakenly added him, but I will fish him out. It's these rubbish people. They will come here because they already failed in their own. Mega company mind his business. You know? He mind his business. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I've contacted the guy. I spoke with him a few days ago, even a few days ago. You know what I'm saying? But I'm busy now. I'm still going to contact him later. I told him I will contact him later. So, like I'm telling you, brothers and sisters, I am begging you, please, we all Nigerians should come together and show an example what is 3 world leaders that are going to jail now. 3 world leaders. 3 world leaders. One was convicted today, 24 years imprisonment. Former president. Jacob Zuma is going to get life. We all should work together so that we can be able to give Buhari life imprisonment. The same house arrest Babangida put him in Edo State. Buhari is not going to house arrest again. Buhari should be given a permanent arrest in Jesus' mighty name. That is the fact. APC have destroyed Nigeria. Now, let me quickly say this. You all heard the other day I was praising Danobi, right? Me, I'm a man that when you do good thing, I praise you. I was praising Danobi because he did something good. Do you know that since Danobi get 800 million, Danobi is running like a chicken? Since Danobi, the APC, PDP chairman, Edo State, PDP chairman, Danobi, Chief Danobi, since the federal government paid Danobi 800 million, Danobi is running. Danobi is nowhere to be found. Now Danobi become, Pastor Sage Yamu become a PA to Danobi. Pastor Sage Yamu is my brother. And he's thinking, if he's thinking to come back as a governor, think twice again. That is for that one. If Pastor Sage Yamu or PDP is thinking to set the destiny of the youth just for your own political greed, he should think again. He should think again. He should think again. That is the truth. Oh. PDP, oh, APC, oh. Wait till they call them, it not concern me. Oh. It not just concern me. PDP, APC, it not concern me. The truth has to be told. Pastor Sage Yamu should give opportunity to the youth. He should go. Pastor Sergeant said, "I'm already have mansion. He already have everything he wants. What else did he want? So you want already 50 years old children, 52 years old, to wait behind after you have tried to fail because in your home. For a man that do not know how to speak Bini, or Baseki never go as edo, honor the go out boyeke. Now we are with a big power, or I go back the way. Very okay, go away with a big boy. Go and mark my word today. Go and mark my word. Very okay, boy, or you with a big boy. So if PDP is thinking they want to come and ride a free ride, what the mega company has suffered for in Edo State, it will only take me 2 months to damage you. Let me tell you, if PDP just make one pen, I will become #1 attack dog to APC. You don't know me, oh. Counter puncher. Why was surprised? Why was surprised? You are computer party. Do you know what is called Ross Peru? A spoiler. Spoiler. Oh, what damage. So that is a sad warning to PDP chairman Danobi. You have to be very, very careful. Yes, you don't want to carry your party children along. The youth in your party, you don't want to carry them along. Do you not see how I train my son Community Gbinigun? Have you not seen how I carry people along? Have you not seen Urerigbe, my son JB in Urerigbe today? Is it not Urerigbe that is helping Omonobane Doku Apolopolo by why we are talking no Kirikababa? In our meal, we do Baba Mugboton. Why are Maria Bawa here? I will bury up Maria Bawa here. Very tired, okay, Obano anyway. No, no. Is it not JB that is enforcing Is it not time for Obaseki to give amnesty, to call the commissioner of police and give immediate amnesty to all courtesy in Edo State? Is it not time? Obaseki la reama wekevema wewe mwabuwe. E Morocco no weba, e kuken we wa he o mai ku we ya memo. Omonoba have helped you. He has sanitized Edo. Edo was the peaceful now. A crime. Oh, why do you? Instead of Obaseki to call the police commissioner and tell the police commissioner to issue an immediate amnesty to all courts in Edo State, surrender your weapon without delay. Obaseki is there taking pictures with Chinese. China and America, they are going one to one. Which side you want your Obaseki? Now America, you want your Abina China. Chinese made, even their ship, before you even blow one bomb, it go sink. They're not doing well now, rush. You know what I'm saying? Obaseki, I am telling you now, please send this video to Obaseki. You better go and declare amnesty to Curtis. Let them return every illegal weapon that is with them. Or else, from next 2 weeks, face Ogun and calamity from the tiger and the lion. If these children that are trying to return weapon and you refuse to collect it from them, what sense do you have? APC, why remain one? Oba have Lagos. Where is the weapon? People want to stop courtesy. Where is the weapon? Have you collected the weapon from these cabals? Have Tony Kabaka surrendered almost 2,000 weapons he have? More than 4 million ammunition Tony Kabaka have. Have you collected it? It's a question. Have you? Have you collected those ammunition with Tony Kabaka? No. Have you collected the one Oshomole gave out? No. No. You have not. Huh? Have you collected all those weapons with a Saturday Willeway boys in Orion local government? Have you collected it? Honorable also we boys. Have you collected their weapon? May I know what I'm telling you now? Have you collected their weapon? Odubu boys. Odubu boys have ammunition upon ammunition. Have you collected it? No. Agu arewa weri mama omaya. Nesu wa buwa. Wanu done it all. esu wa agbo wa we ogbo wa ta ogbo wa ri eyo re nana mi agbo alogo ni lele ye me yo wa we le gbe o me gbe we le gbe o wa o mo wa bi igba we le wa ri abu ewe o wa we to se we le ye no wa to se wa to se eji me wa ke wu bo wa ra mi na wa wi wa bo u wa hin aya ri wa o ta wo wi u wi wa bo hin alelu wa hin if abo atowo mu wa bo atowo witlu na I go begin the carry na one by one the politician witlu go first carry na hand. Can you imagine? Nigeria, Obasanjo we are talking. Obasanjo, the coward of all time. Obasanjo we talk. Obasanjo is a free floater. When I declared Buhari must go, Obasanjo came out and said Buhari have failed. Then when Buhari responded, Obasanjo panic. Obasanjo panic. He panicked and come out. I did not say, but now when you see that the Hausas are coming, like this is why I love the Northerners in Nigeria. The Northerners know how to do things. They are not afraid though. They are ready to die. Not only with the South, Middle Belt, whatever they call them, whether na Middle Belt, there's a bit. Now how to drink for beer parlor. That is how we know. They will drink from Monday to Sunday, Sunday to Monday. Drink their papa money, drink their mama money, drink their sister money. Now Asha will not dey again. Which money now they drink now? Kidnapping not they bini. They will drink. While you go here, here you go to, here you have the pepper soup, here you have zagon, here you have jofi, here you go where, here you are. You will see what I will do. Never bob people the ruwa. Here she was here. It's here and the boy and I say I will here, and I say I will here. Here I will be. Why where you wouldn't have been? Look at this guy that came from America. He came to do a burial in his father's house. When he was coming, they told him, don't even come. Just send money for you to come. People will pour out on you. This man said, no, I want to come. I've not been to Nigeria for almost 20 years now. I want to come home. They said, no, don't bother. This guy forced himself and go to Nigeria. When he arrived in Nigeria, he called his mother, called his family. He said, what about the house I asked you to build in Lagos? They said, we are doing burial. You are talking of house. Why can't you just come home first? He went home. Do you know that the last day of the burial, while he was outside, they came with Benz 190. They opened fire on him and killed him right on that spot. Because there's no house. There's no house in Lagos. No house. They have used his money to drink pepper soup. A U.S. green card holder. That boy suffered all his life. He could not even get a citizenship. Every money he get, before you know it, he put on a one thing or the other. Jabrata.com, citizen not go get him. They kill and throw away. No buy what you get man. No yok power man egwai TV. Ufon egwai from you. If not buy worry, Obaseki have failed Edo State. He failed woefully. Then you see this opportunist Danobi, and he's a PA personal assistant. Pastor Sage is a Yamu. Danobi PA. They want to destroy PDP. That one person go just carry power, you know they come on. Now only you go do SAG, now only you go do contest for gubernatorial election. Now only you go fail. Now only you go say you want go. Now you want fine. Who want vote for you? Who? Me I supported you that time. Me I go just they do live video every day. In my area, with my brother, the cost that I will be laying on you, you will not even survive it. Job better, job back up. Carry these young boys for PDP and get them. Carry young boys come out. Carry they come out. Just carry they come out. Not just try them at all. You with Danobi. This one where Danobi just there now. If you want to make a wash your dirty laundry in the public, me I will just wash and APC will just be happy. They will just be happy. APC will just be happy. They will just be happy. I go just me, you know, say that Tompito master I be. Tompito, the tiger and the lion. I will Tompito PDP forever. Easy. Very easy in Edo State. Onai. Awamune labor or abga. Iyawamu. Iwapo. Awariyawa. As soon as say we are not to give power to the young one. Power. We will take that power from you people. Nonsense. Your papa go rule tire. You never suffer for your life. All your life you have been on money. Yet you don't want to give chance to the young to grow. Your children, they are going to Harvard. Do you think I don't like to go to university? Don't you think I was in Uniben there? we me ma ye uniba ni wa bona fe ko le luwa me mi wa pay school sata ma we te na e jam I don't collect result o because of money. I go class with no admission for Uniben. I don't talk on one day. I wa be you wa won gbeluwa. If I born no le lo yo go kan hallelujah. Ba we no worry am. All the old politicians, Buhari, he must die. All the Tinubu, he must die in Jesus' name. When they call him, Ajetu Dugara must die. Kabiru must die in Jesus' name. Those states, Asoro Noro, Yaru don't win. Because of your sister will be my member. First of all, leave you. That useless majority leader who did not even pass one Niger College and end up go get A's, go to useless. I go Uniben. Which Uniben you go? No, boy. Which Uniben? Pamphlet education. Pamphlet education. You people will not let Obiogwe. And let me quickly say this. In 2 weeks' time, I'll be getting complaints. I am here trying to do the best I can do. Complaints are coming. Even the guests that Omonoba asks every woman that have women. The people that are my member who are doing it, I've given them, tell them, Asomba, I will not saw my baby. If you know you get guests, release them. I don't talk tired, and amigo don't talk. Now, I am hearing that the girls themselves, they say they don't want to stop prostitution. They don't want to stop. It is better for you use your body go to one than to carry person body go to one. But the girls now, they say they don't want to stop. Asomba or Wabeluwa. Asomba, only my day coming. Why did they coming? What time I do what we done only, huh? Why is it they coming? Those ones that don't want to stop, if you know say na woman carry you come, and that thing they do before, the woman have told you to go, you can never do that job. You have to go and get fabrica work and work. You have to go work in fabrica. Look for paper. If you don't have paper, go and marry. No be. Ya marry no be. Ogun ba ke gbo e. Ogun ba ke wa gbo e. Wa dun e de mo da wa. Ogun ba ke gbo e. Wa ya marry no wa be e. O money me wa gogo yi. Do ma mi odo se me ya me fi omo. E o wa kian obun. Call ile odo wa opo. No na ko. O na owi o na wota. Call ile multiplication e me wa ye to multiply. E me guy. So, how when we pa a madam we say we ane any man or buy why or talk be a video na o ge ban ya wa finish e ban ya wa send again o ge ban o ha ne we nu wa ge gbasawo e do ya so na o mele na mi go na we ka me wa o ma ke gun ayo we wa zin abo now arizu wa bo ne wa we he o ga sawo nu wa kan agbe o we no. Okay, no. Okay, awa agbawa. Agbawa gbara agbayu e. Upopo. E komoko aya mera wi o wa. E wa me aguye gan. I will personally pick up the phone and call the commissioner of police, call the AIG. You will go to jail. Era wi wa je gan yo. They will go to jail. Wa na me na sha wo magu wa ban. Na we no bo sha wo fine. Ye we e madam na imwere ni. Ona mwere ni. Madam we na compromise we. Hey, Salba will oba when in Gualasha we respect him and obata. When I in the Eke, Madame, we can ya do winner, Baby boyfriend, oh, Bob boyfriend, the way, a certain winner. Shanto not the tire person. Shanto, they don't even call me Shanto. Which money I don't get? Kobo, shishi. Oh, you boy, Kobo. Yana Nara Barang Barry. Me marry no the million Shanto. Me la Shanto. Eya tie we Shanto na make away. Na ya not away. What is Shanto? I come over here. Ekmi na mari ana na we aname gidi izin gbagbo. Izin egbe. Ewo wa ma wegbe. Me na mo wegbe. La wo. Agbe agbomo gidi digo. O han kere figure out of media. Ipa ya okay. O we na nya wa we he wa pa. Wa we pa wa we mu na sha we wa ban. E report ye me. who are banned by force. You must stop it. You must stop it. You have to stop it. Who are being? You will go and marry. Go and marry. Go and marry. Having children, babies. Now walk. Walk when pass and not day. Now walk. Now walk. You must marry. If you know madam carry you come abroad and the madam have honored the Oba of Benin and you say, I want call police. Which police you want call? The police you want it. Your madam don't let you. I take you. Problem. So I'm using this opportunity to tell all PFM members who have honored the call of our Oba Palace, the ancestors of Edo Kingdom, will continue to protect you in any way. I know that you cannot satisfy human beings. No matter how you're going to try, they're going to do one thing, say one thing in order to discredit you, to destroy your name. It don't matter. Just get up. Do the little you can do. Leave the rest for God Almighty. And I want to appeal to Nigerian youth, most especially the Nigerian youth, that are doing it all night. All night, you know, go carry this one when we do. If you like, you go spend 1 million hours. They do all night. Heaven help those who help themselves. Look at my face. All night in here, you know they happen. You cannot continue to pray and wait for money you did not work to come to you. Oh, that is stealing. Just like some pastors are doing it. Oh, Joba Yewoni. Where man, if you don't cook, food go just come out by himself and cook himself for you to eat. No matter how pastor go pray for you rich, he not go work. Pastor himself, he don't pray for himself. A pastor is using what they call a grade 1. Grade 1. Psychological way of scamming people. Psychologically, he will read you, he will damage you, he will tell you your problem. Out of 10, 4 will fall into it. When he fall into it, he will tell you, give me amen. You say amen. Like, I was in a dream 2 days ago. I saw something. Then I called the person. I cautioned the person. I said, problem is coming. I said, I pray that this problem should go. Me, I am talking to. Me, I did do meeting with spirit. God. I did go. Me, I don't lie. My grandfather, they appeared. After he tell me everything, I tell this person. He say, hey, pa, now women when I take bath. Now you do, I say, women when you take bath. Now their problem of women came. I want to say it now. Today's date is April 6, 2000 and what? 18. Next time, when spirit tell me something, I don't go tell her. I go down woman go bury her. If problem go call, go hit and bath for her. I go tell her, I say, go bath with you, man. So I want to say it now. So a day we call everybody, we say, why Ranobigo just abandon this man or this woman? Then I will tell you people, instead of her to thank me, thank the spirit, thank my grandfather who revealed everything to me. He said, now make women do it. Yeah, kataka. I will be able to lawyer, I'm not many one. Nevidana like here or Marwan. Maritana, it won't my or can you imagine destiny? Can you imagine that? Namiri video for a motel and say, baby, be careful. See what you happen. It happened, I no can walk. Now instead of her to thank me. Ranobigo. Look, I will tell. I don't want to put this big bottle in my mouth. Why there? A lot of people did not know. When I was a little boy, my grandfather was a very strong man, traditionally. Very, very strong. If you talk of strong, maybe in the Edo State, it will be number 2. Strong, kakbo. You know they go meeting. Witchcraft, you go tell them, say, you know they go meeting, papa. The Omoregi of Kalima, Urigbe, tell him if you want to live long, not go Ikokiko, Edukazi, Edukebo. I'm your boy Miller. I'm a big backpacker. I'm a business. My grandfather lived more than 100 years. More than 100 years. As I speak, my uncle now, you know, everything. My grandfather never do bad thing one day. He will tell you. But anything he tell you will happen. You know what I'm saying? So that is it. So what I want to quickly tell people, please, instead of you to be running towards China, I want Nigeria to run towards America. Because at the end of the day, America is the only hope to surviving in Africa. In the day America will adopt Africa, say, let us help restore sanity in Africa. Let us stop corruption in Africa. Believe me, the day America will agree, that day, the light will come to Africa. Nobody else can do it. It's only the Almighty America. Nobody. All this one you are hearing, Buhari is coming. What is Buhari coming? Buhari barely even stand. Buhari cannot stand on his own. Difficult. Obaseki and Oshomole, that one, a drug. Cocaine that they are smoking every day. Those state treasury, they are smoking our money every day. Obaseki and Oshomole. Cocaine, our 1 minute. How can that state move forward? When you catch people, you are a politician. You are angry that children are taking narcotics, methamphetamine, illegal substances. Then you, as a governor, that people will emulate, people will look up to. Then you are there. You are a drug crackhead, drug addict. Can you believe that? How can you move forward? Then you are there, you are destroying from one place to another. There's no one thing Obaseki have done. There's no one, tell me one project Obaseki have accomplished. No, zero. No one. Picture. Now he destroy Obesidon. He carry Obesidon, give himself. Now na charity, they want to say Obaseki they do na charity. What they do. The sickness Obaseki have created in Edo State. Sickness Obaseki have created. Do you know what is called psychological effect? Amnesia. The amnesia Obaseki have created. Anxiety. Stress anxiety. Panic attack. Panic attack. How am I going to... Oh, NEPA don't take life. It will... All the fish I bought is gone. That is called panic attack. I'm going to do whatever I take. I gotta go. They finally froze it. I love you all so much. Good night, everyone. I gotta go. I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye, y'all.